Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to install Reloaded TV into Kodi. So let's get started here real quick. This is a blank Kodi, nothing on it, no build. So we're going to go ahead and go to this cogwheel here up in the top. Click on it, go to System Settings, go down to Add-ons, and then you're going to go over to Unknown Sources. Make sure it's turned on. Click yes. Go back. Go to File Manager. Add Source. Click on None. And you're going to go to http://target creates.com/repo. Click OK. And then you're going to go ahead and change this to whatever you would like it to be called. Click OK. Now you're going to go back, click back, go down to add-ons, go up to the open box icon, click on it, go to install from zip file, go down to reloaded, click on repository.gearstv. Alright, Gears TV repository add-on updated. You're going to go to install from repository and go to Gears TV repository, go to program add-ons, Gears Launchpad, and you're going to click on install. Add-on installed. Okay, now you're going to go back, go to video add-ons. You're going to go over to Reloaded TV, click on install. Alright, Reloaded TV add-on installed. Go back. Alright, this is what you're gonna see when you log into Kodi. You're actually gonna be on this screen right here. Go down to add-ons and then go over, you should see Reloaded TV. Click on it. And there you have it. That's how you install Reloaded TV. Thank you for watching.